Ladies and gentlemen, I have some filters here I want to share with you. So, they belong to my 95 thread IRIX 15 lens. So if you are investing in a 95 thread filter, you guys are probably going to ask me this question. Which filters do you have, and do you think which one is best? So I think they're all good, don't get me wrong. These two are from IRIX Edge IRIX lenses, and this one's from Maven filters. So I'm just going to show you what they look like, how they perform kindly on this video, and show you why I'm now using the Maven filters sometimes with the IRIX 10 stop when I want to get long exposures with the IRIX 15 Y angle. So disclaimer, IRIX lenses did not ask me to do this video. I'm doing this video to help people and guide people the right way when choosing the right filters for a larger thread size, especially 86, 95, or 112. So take these filters with a grain of salt. So I'm going to start off with the IRIX polarizer. This is the SR version, which I had two of these already. The first one got chipped and cracked, but this one here is also kind of a very solid polarizer. But I noticed that when I was shooting landscape photography or doing long exposures, when traffic is passing by, I would get objects that would hit this lens, and this is why I need a splash filter from Maven Filters to protect these polarizers. Because if you look very closely, there's like a little tiny nick there and a nick there from like pebble rocks hitting the element as the traffic is passing by. So be careful when using polarizers to emphasize long exposures or light trails. Now I do use polarizers to get rid of reflections in a sense when doing long exposures or light painting or light trail photography. So this is why I do use a polarizer. As you can see, the polarization, that's how it changes. It's like an ND filter. So with that said, everyone, I still think this one is good, but retail for $120. Yes, for one filter, this is $120 based on a 95 thread size. So take that in consideration. Make sure that you have enough money to buy one of the IRIX Edge lenses polarizer. As you can see, this is a circular SR polarizer. And the next one is my Maven filter. I just got this about a few weeks ago. I've been using it non-stop. It's been phenomenal, everyone. It's been amazing. Now, I did accidentally scratch it a little bit with some micro scratches here with the microfiber cloth one day in the rain, which was my mistake. This is why I also need a splash guard for this one as well, so I don't have to keep continuing to wipe down the lens. Only use the splash filter to protect the lens so I don't have to wipe it down. But I just want to show you the quality. As you can see, that polarization is working, friends. And it's super thin, as you can see. And mind you, it has like these indentations on the filter, so you know, oh, if you're, let's say you're at night and you want to use a polarizer, let's say you're doing in a bright cityscape area in the city and you want to use a polarizer because there's too many reflections. So yeah, just at night you can feel the texture if you have a set of these Maven filters. So this is the Maven filter. Super solid, everyone. Really enjoy using that one. And then this one here is my IRIX Edge 10 stop. Oh my panda. This thing feels premium. Just like holding it. It's super light, don't get me wrong, but it does have some weight to it too. Like the surrounding, I'm not sure if this aluminium or but it is super solid, everyone. As you can see, it says IRIX lenses 10 stop. Yeah, super wonderful to have in the arsenal. Really good filter for long exposures, everyone. I like to use this one and the Maven filter in combination when I'm using the magnetic adapters that goes right on top of this. So with that said, everyone, really solid build, thin, light, portable, amazing. So this is my filter collection for my 95 thread lenses. Even though I only have one lens, but regardless, these are really good lens filters. I recommend them. I'm going to leave the links to the Maven filter set and to all the IRIX lenses filter set as well. But I'm a really big fan of Maven filters by far. It's been amazing. So with that said, everyone, this has been my filter experience. So please do subscribe, like, and share. If you want to support the channel financially, there is a PayPal, Cash App, Venmo. It does help me grow and keep the lights on here. But until then, eat, sleep, photography, and filter always, and repeat. And I will see you guys in the next video. See ya.